Hi, this is Adriana. Today I'm going to show you how to make some salutations. This video is special for people that are maybe following yoga programs, online programs. So maybe you don't have a yoga teacher at your side that can show you how to align yourself. So this is very important that you know how to make the asanas in a proper way. So this is for you. Thank you so much. Well, we are going first to step up properly. So you need to balance the weight of your body, and you need to move just a little bit your weight to the front, just to be sure that the weight of your body is not in the toes, in the no, in the
Heel.
heel. Yeah, thanks. In the heel. So you need to put your body weight in the toes just a little bit, and then in the hips you need to align this part of your body. Is really important. It's a triangle that is formed with your hip bones and your pelvic bone. And this triangle must be square to the air, not to the back or to the front, just down to the earth. And then you need to open your chest and your shoulders down and back. And then your neck must be relaxed, not like stiff, okay? And well, this is the first step you need to know. Then we are going to start with the sun salutation A, SURYA NAMASKAR A. And you inhale. And then you are going to face your arms that way, not to open, not to be open, you need to close them. And your hips must be in the same position you start. And then when you go down, you need to hold your back really, really straight. So if you are not so flexible, you can touch your knees, or maybe you are more flexible, you can go down here, or maybe to the floor. It doesn't matter. It's not like you really need to touch the floor. You don't really need to touch the floor. So it's okay if you do it right here. The important thing here is that you have your back straight. And then you inhale. You flex your knees, and then your hands must be in the same line of your shoulder. So that your shoulder must be just above your arms. And then in the plank, you need, this is not a correct position. This is not the correct position. So you need a really, really good line. So if you think like your belly is pushing your back, it will help. And then your knees to the ground, and then you go down. When you go down, your elbows must be really, really near your body. You must avoid doing this kind of movement. Inhale. And then exhale. And you can adjust your feet. Your hips must be facing to the sky. And your head must be really down, and you must be watching your belly. If you can see your belly, maybe you can see your inner thighs. And you must push your back down. Inhale, flex your legs. Exhale. Remember, your back must be really straight. Inhale, head up and go up all the way. And then exhale. So, I'm going to show you how your shoulders must be. Like, you don't need to put your arms like really near from your ears. Instead, you need to push your shoulders back and making some space between your ears and your arms. So this is not the correct position. You must open and push your back down this way. Okay. Then we can continue to Surya Namaskar A. Inhale. When you inhale, you need to put a lot of tension in your hips, so the hips are not going to the front, neither to the back, just in the same place you begin. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Remember the line you have to make in the plank. Knees. Here you need to push your shoulders down. And then you place your right foot in the front. You need to make a square, 90 degrees square. And inhale. Exhale, remember the plank line. Inhale. Exhale. Left foot. Okay. Here, this foot must be facing that way, like 45 degrees. And this foot must be facing front. You must not open it or close it, just this way, so you can make 90 degrees. Maybe if these two open for you, you can make it easier, but remember the square you have to make. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can adjust your feet. Maybe this is really hard for you. Maybe you can just flex your knees, and this will help you. You can rise up your hips, and then when you feel comfortable, you can start to straighten your legs. If you can touch the ground, it's okay. You can be in this point, and when you have some weeks or months of practice, you can touch the ground. So don't worry, don't rush. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, flex your legs. Remember where your hips have to be. Exhale. Okay, thank you for watching.